This is a Color C70 Pro. Here's what we're going to do.
I need to install the accessories, the interface module and the finisher. You can use your Phillips screwdriver, but for me, I use my power drill. So first, I need to install the bracket for the attach on the machine with the interface. Okay, next one, open the door. You see the handle, release that one, and lock.
So here is the handle. Okay.
Okay, close the door. Now I need first to do, I need to put this connector. After that, I need to remove this cover. So I removed the screws already. This one here in the machine, and this in the interface right there. Next one, power cord. This one. Okay, next finisher. So another 2 screws bracket right here. You see the power, the connector for the finisher. And now connect to here. And the power cord. That's it. So remember, this is the handle for the finisher right here.
Right there.
Okay, now it's locked already. Power off. That's it, done. Okay, no errors. So staple, hole punch, everything here.
Okay, no error, all good.